Hello everyone. In this video, I will discuss about what is hydraulic system, what are its advantages, working principle of hydraulic system and its application, and basic hydraulic system used in an aircraft. Hydraulic system. The word hydraulics is based on the Greek word for water and originally meant the study of physical behavior of water at rest and in motion. Today, its meaning has been expanded to include physical behavior of all liquids, including hydraulic fluid, so a transmission system which uses pressurized incompressible liquids as a transmission media to transfer energy to operate different components is known as hydraulic system. Working principle of hydraulic system. The hydraulic system works on the principle of Pascal's law, which states that a pressure applied to a fluid in a closed container is transmitted equally to every point of the fluid and the wall of the container. So let's take a closed container filled with hydraulic fluid. Now pressure is applied to the fluid at one end, then this pressure is transmitted equally to every point of the fluid and the wall of the container. This pressure is transmitted equally in all directions and at right angle, and if there is a change in pressure, then it disperses equally throughout the fluid. Applications of Pascal's law. Let's take an example. You can see in this picture a small force F1 is applied to piston with a small cross section area A1 produces a much large force F2 on the larger piston. This is because a piston with a small cross section area A1 exert a force F1 on the surface of the hydraulic fluid. Here the applied pressure at a small piston is F1 upon A1. This pressure is transmitted through connecting pipe to the larger piston of cross section area A2. Here the pressure at larger piston is F2 upon A2, and as per the Pascal's law, pressure is same in both cylinder, that is external pressure is equal to internal pressure, that is pressure is equal to F1 upon A1 is equal to F2 upon A2. So for the same pressure, just by increasing the area, the force is increased. Well, this is known as the effort end, where the pressure need to be created, and this is called the load end, which is connected to different components to provide movement. So in hydraulic system, just by changing the area, we will increase or decrease the force as per the requirements. In aircraft, hydraulic system is used to operate landing gear, flight control surfaces, nose wheel steering, wheel brakes, propeller pitch control, and thrust reverser. Advantages of hydraulic system: lightweight, ease of installation, simplification of inspection and minimum maintenance requirements, 100% efficient with only negligible loss due to fluid friction, minimize undesirable noises, and this system perform well in hot environmental conditions. Aircraft hydraulic system. This is the basic hydraulic system used in an aircraft. A basic system consists of a reservoir in which the hydraulic fluid is stored, a pump which is used to pressurize the hydraulic fluid, a check valve that allows fluid to flow unimpeded in one direction but prevent fluid flow in opposite direction, a pressure relief valve which is used to limit the amount of pressure being exerted on the confined liquid, a selector valve which is used to control the direction of movement of the hydraulic actuating cylinder, a hydraulic actuating cylinder that transforms energy in the form of fluid pressure into mechanical force to perform work, and a filter which is used to clean the hydraulic fluid, preventing foreign particles and contaminating substances from remaining in the system. Here in this picture, the pink line is suction line, the red line is pressure line, and the green line is return line. Through reservoir, the fluid flows to the pump where the fluid is pressurized and forced to the system through check valve. After check valve, the fluid goes to the selector valve which control the direction of movement of this fluid to the actuating cylinder. When the fluid reaches one side of the actuating cylinder, then the fluid from the other side of the actuating cylinder return back to the reservoir through a filter. There is a pressure relief valve installed in the system And this is to discharge fluid from the pressure line into the reservoir return line when the pressure exceeds the predetermined maximum for which the valve is adjusted. So this is how the basic hydraulic system works. In the next video, I will discuss about the component fitted in the hydraulic system in detail. Please subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching.